You did everything. You were loyal, supportive, and consistent. You gave her everything she said she wanted, but she still walked away. Now you're confused, hurt, and asking the wrong question.
Why?
Wasn't I enough? Here's the brutal
Truth.
women don't stay loyal to what
You do for them. They stay loyal to how
they feel about who you are. In this video, I'll show you the one thing women are truly loyal to and why trying to earn her through effort, gifts, and sacrifice always fails when you lack this one thing. Stoicism teaches us to measure our value internally not by applause or appreciation, but by who we are when everything else is stripped
away.
Marcus Aurelius said, "It is not death that a man should fear, but never beginning to live." Yet, most men don't live for themselves. They live for validation and for love that's conditional. That ends today. Let me show you what she's really loyal to. First, women are loyal to how you make them feel about themselves. It's not about how much you spend, how much time you give, or how often you say, "I love you." It's about how secure she feels in your presence, how centered, how feminine, how seen. If your love comes from neediness, she doesn't feel peace. She feels pressure. Fix it. Don't be emotional support. Be emotional gravity. Stay centered and unshaken. Second, women are loyal to men on a mission. The moment you made her your mission, she lost interest. Because women don't want to be your focus. They want to feel your focus on something higher, something she has to rise to meet. When she sees you build, grind, and evolve without her permission, that's when she stays. Not because you need her, but because she feels lucky to be near your purpose. Third, women are loyal to boundaries, not pleasing. You gave more, tolerated more, and kept the peace. But every time you bent, she respected you less. Because deep down, every woman wants to feel she's with a man who can't be moved by emotion, who chooses truth over comfort and principle over approval.
Fix
it, set boundaries, enforce them, and walk away when they're crossed. Not to hurt her, but to protect your peace. Fourth, women are loyal to masculine energy, not emotion. You opened up too soon, explained too much, and turned her into your therapist. In that moment, she became your emotional authority. Once that dynamic flips, the polarity dies. Masculine energy doesn't mean silence. It means clarity, certainty, and direction. Be emotionally aware, but don't hand her the steering wheel of your soul. She's not loyal to the man who did the most. She's loyal to the man who made her feel the deepest, the safest, the most feminine, and the most
alive.
That man doesn't chase, beg, or perform. He leads, builds, and becomes. So stop doing everything for her and start doing everything for yourself. Because once you become the man who needs nothing from her, she gives everything freely. If this message spoke to you, join us here at the Stoic Circle. Subscribe and grow with a community of men who choose strength, purpose, and inner peace over validation. Your journey starts now. This is the Stoic